a longboard. We're gonna check out this waterfall by my house. See how it looks since it's up and running, and make some cool cinematic B-rolls out of it. This whole like quarantine thing kind of sucks and all. Hope you guys are all staying safe, but it's been pretty peaceful so far. Oh shit. Look at that. I skidded on that rock. I could have busted my shit. Stupid rock. Well, that was a neat video, wasn't it? What's up everyone? My name is Shouvang and I make cool videos on the internet like this. And yeah. When editing this video, I realized that I never really show my face, and that's mainly because I am always the one behind the camera. I'm recording, making sure I get the best shots, but yeah, so this is me. I make cool videos on the internet. I kind of want to have this opportunity to thank you guys for all the love and support, for the people who know me and don't know me. I put a lot of work into these videos, so it means a lot that you guys are watching, sharing, liking, you know, social media. But yeah, so I kind of also want to take this time to let you guys know that I'll be answering some questions, whatever you guys want related to photography, videography, anything business related, literally anything, even about me. I'll make a separate video for that and I'll address all your questions in that video. So yeah, thank you. Stay safe. I know this virus thing is kind of taking us all down, and don't forget to wash your hands. Wash your hands. I was recording that time, right? Hell yeah. Hell yeah, it was.